Hello my viewers, welcome back to this YouTube channel where your health is my first priority. And today's guys, I want to share with you 8 benefits of consuming fenugreek as a legume. The benefit of fenugreek cannot be overlooked or underlooked. It's very beneficial to your health, and here goes 8 benefit that you get when you consume it, when you consider having it in your meal. Consuming fenugreek regularly could help with those who have problems with the hair loss, or what we call alopecia, the bad fraternity. This is best fit for you. There is an evidence showing that consuming fenugreek extract help with hair growth, speed up the hair growth, and also for those who are under hair repair or replacement process. Number 2, it may help increase breast milk compared to the other placebos. So if you are nursing, you especially may want to add more fenugreek to your diet to increase or to boost up your milk letdown. And number 3, fenugreek is very best fit for your gut. There are also some scientific studies focusing specifically on fenugreek and gut health. Some of the components that are contained in the fenugreek are going to contribute to a healthy gut and bowel movement, digestion, and some bloating, because it helps the muscles in the gut relax, as it also contains the iron. Remember, not getting enough iron can cause low stomach acid, so you need fenugreek for that purpose, for the benefit of your gut. And number 4, guys, we have fenugreek seeds. Regularly taking it help prevent cognitive declines or loss of memory. We have the dementia, we have the likes of Alzheimer's disease. The reason as to why fenugreek has the capacity to alleviate your memory or boost up your cognitive, it has an anti-inflammatory property. As an anti-inflammatory in the body, particularly the brain, this can help improve cognitive impairment. Basically, the arguments based on the magnesium and the iron contained in the fenugreek, which is very brain boosters. And as you all know, magnesium and iron is linked to supporting cognition. And we have blood sugar level from rising. Fenugreek help blood sugar levels from escalating to levels that are too dangerous for your health. So consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, as this information is going to be shared to reach more people. Fenugreek also help to regulate level of blood from rising, as we tackled in our previous video, the desired blood levels. What it does, it improves the insulin sensitivity to the receptor or blood receptors. So for those who have diabetes, it's also advisable to continue to consume 10 grams of fenugreek soaked in hot water daily, while another group can consider to take 5, but the recommended one is 10 mg. So that is that for blood sugar. So fenugreek will help greatly in BP monitoring and management. We have already said that fenugreek help in lowering the inflammation and reducing the inflammatory factors, maybe after the injury or just when you're at a relaxed mode and you just find that maybe you're having some inflammation in some areas of unknown origin. Maybe you have not been hit by anything else or some allergies, but at times you find that you have inflammation. Considering fenugreek in your diet is going to greatly help and improve on inflammations, as it contains the polyphenols as a plant compound. It also has the flavonoids that act as an antioxidant. It has the antioxidant properties. These means they will help fight free radicals damages in the body. BP, brain cognition, and your skin. It helps your skin to glow. When you just take it for not less than 1 month in your daily meal, it is going to help your heart greatly to give you that eye appealing look. For 1 month in your diet, this is going to be very crucial for those who are concerned about their skin and the overall look of their body. So consider having fenugreek in your meal. It is also very nice component and product for your heart, as it lowers the heart demands, which may also sometimes cause the angina pains. It also helps to lower the blood volume, which as a result may cause the BP to rise. So it helps to maintain all the heart functions, even for those who are exercising. So it's very beneficial, and all you need to understand is fenugreek nutrition fact. Per every servings, when you take serving, this is per a tablespoon. Some of the things that you're going to obtain, which will help for the thing that we have mentioned. Fenugreek contain about 12 grams calories. So even if you're not, even if you are under or you're dieting or you're trying to cut down your weight, so it's very helpful. Remember, it is a legume, so no bad calories that are going to be added on your body. So it has 12 grams per every tablespoon that you take grinded. its total fat go to around 2 grams per every 1 teaspoon serving. It has also 2.2 grams of total carbohydrates. So if you are struggling with weight, this is the best fit. As you can see, it has no harm for those who have the DM and the diabetic 1 and 2. It has the good protein which your body needs, or the good protein, which is around 9 grams per 1 serving teaspoon. For the purposes of the stomach health, it contains 9 grams of fiber, which is going to help your digestion and your general gut health. It also has 1.2 mg, that is 77% DV iron. So it is also helping your heart, increase your blood supply or capacity to carry the oxygen. As you can see, it contains the iron which you also need in your normal daily activity. Remember, it is a herb which is part of the legume family, so it fits everyone irrespective of the conditions that you have. So it's one fit for all. So consider adding it into your meal. And for that, until we meet on our next video, just stay safe, stay healthy.